Here I have Vivo Y21L, and let me show you how to perform here the hard reset operation on that device by using the Vivo settings. So at the very beginning, let's open here the settings. Then you need to scroll down and choose more settings. From the following list you need to find and select simply backup and reset, and here let's choose erase all data. So here you can erase the Google account, system and app data, downloaded apps and generated data, or you can also here clear music, pictures and other user data. In my case, let me erase everything. So let me also here choose here erase phone storage. Let me erase all personal data, tab reset phone, and to begin the operation let's choose erase everything. That's it, the phone is performing the hard reset, so let's wait until the operation will be completed. Do not interrupt while the process is running. Excellent, the welcome panel just pops up, so it simply means that the hard reset is done. Now you might start easily activate your device. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.